Eli. Don't go. It's a freaking cockroach infestation. No, shut the frick up. Shut up. You heifer? Yeah, he's still alive. Remind you! Eli, they're freaking all over the place. What? Yeah, look at that one. Doesn't have a freaking head. Eli chopped it off. They're all in that Corona bot. I mean, in the whatever that is.
This?
Yeah, they're still in there. Yeah, they're trying to get out. There's a freaking nest in there. Okay, let's just go back inside. Freaking take that thing back in the house. One of your dad's guns fell too. Come on. Okay.
You good?
Bye.